So let's go ahead and do the unboxing of iPhone 15 Pro. The one I've got here is titanium blue, although it also comes in natural titanium, white titanium, and black titanium. So this is the Apple's standard box that the device comes in. I have also mentioned the specifications of the iPhone 15 Pro. You can go through while I unwrap the box and show you the device itself. So now we have the device. It's iPhone 15 Pro titanium blue. Here's the USB-C charging cable. The material of the charging cable is very nice. I have seen this type of material Apple using for the first time in their accessories. So it's a very nice charging cable, and I think it's going to last for a long time. Also in the box is the regular paperwork with the SIM ejector tool. And finally, we have the device with us. The iPhone 15 Pro features a lightweight titanium design, a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion, and it is powered by A17 Pro chip for the top tier performance. It boasts a 48 megapixel main camera, 3 times telephoto zoom,